Hello everyone, this is Nimish and today we're gonna do the trailer reaction to A Flying Jut. This is the new movie by Tiger Shroff directed by Remo D'Souza, who is the famous choreographer come director of movies like ABCD and ABCD 2. He also made Faltu. So about his past three films, they were pretty entertaining, so I enjoyed them. They are commercial, entertaining movies, and Flying Jet also falls in that same category. It has the new heartthrob Tiger Shroff, who I really like because he is a very nice person in real life. If you watch his interviews and the way he interacts with everyone, and the things that other people have said about him, so he's a very nice, down to earth personality, and that's why I like him. Let's check this trailer out. To be very honest, I was never so much interested in this movie because superhero movies have been not perfect in India. But all hopes high, let's check this trailer out, I'm sorry, and see if the expectations are gonna be met. Here we go. This movie also stars Jacqueline Fernandez. The trailer of A Flying Jet.
भाई मेरी बच्ची को बचाओ। अब कोई मेरे के लिए उसे बचा सकता है। कंजर कहीं का खोता।
Oh,
सुपर हीरो तो बन गया लेकिन इसकी ऊंचाइयों का डर नहीं गया। बाल कटवा लिए, तू तो सरदार भी नहीं है। तुझे रब ने ये ताकत कुड़ियां पटाने के लिए नहीं दी है।
तो क्या करूं?
जा दुनिया जाके बचा।
सत श्री अकाल भाजी। भागने की जरूरत नहीं।
माता जी क्या कर रहे हो? बेबे, बेबे।
ये क्या पहन के रखा तूने? कौन है तू? ओए रुको!
मैं सुपर हीरो को पसंद करती हूँ।
You're not one in a million, Kirti. You are the one. तुम्हारी इस नई ताकत और पुराने पागलपन को मिलाकर हम दुनिया
oh,
जीत
KK,
लेंगे।
my favorite.
But there's one problem, Raka. Go and finish it.
Oh, that's some powerful villain. Oh my god, he's huge.
चिड़ियों से मैं बाज तोड़ाऊं, गिदड़ों को मैं शेर बनाऊं, 1.25 से एक लड़ाऊं, तबे गोविंद सिंह नाम कहाऊं।
Wow.
मुजरिमों का दुश्मन, गरीबों का दोस्त, हमारा फ्लाइंग जट। पता नहीं इस वक्त क्या कर रहा होगा।
बेबे, जाले साफ हो गए।
पुत्र जाड़े ता साफ हो गए, शहर कब साफ होगा?
आजो सारे।
Wow. I honestly had zero expectations, but I am converted. I have totally changed my opinion about this movie. That looks fantastic, and I'm not lying. The VFX, first of all, looks amazing. It seems like a lot has been spent on it. They're super realistic looking VFX, including the scenes where he bangs his face into the Jeep, and also the part where a lot of smoke bursts out, a big smoke cloud. So all of that looks extremely realistic. Nothing ever in that trailer looked fake, including the scene where he's flying beside the car. So I love the VFX that they've used in this movie. The second thing that I really like is that for once a superhero movie is different in all ways. It does not have the typical birth and rise of a superhero. It does not have the typical villain who wants to change the world. I mean, we don't know the intentions of the villain in this trailer, but it doesn't seem like that typical villain, the very evil villain who wants to take on the world with some nuclear energy and stuff like that. It's something very real. The other things that I really liked in the trailer is that they actually address all the jokes which are made on superheroes, like why can't you, clean things, help people, help girls, help women, etc. Just the basic things instead of just going and saving the world. That is also addressed here, especially in the comic scenes where he's cleaning the lamp on top in the last scene and everything. So it's good that they've got those elements in to make it a unique film. So it's very young, it's very different, and that's what I'm really happy about. I think Tiger Shroff plays the role really perfectly. He's a simple guy who really doesn't know what to do with the superpowers. So there's that comic element to it. He's a superpower, he's a superman, a superhero without really knowing, what to do with it. So I guess he gets serious about it as the movie progresses. His family doesn't take him seriously. They're like, you've had these powers, go and make some use of it. Don't waste your time, kind of a thing. So that everything is different. All the elements are very different in this movie, which is really what I liked about this trailer. It also has KK, who's very powerful when he plays the villain role. He's very effective as a villain, and I really like his acting. So it's great that they've cast him. I think Remo really likes him because he was also there in ABCD as the villain. So I'm really looking forward to this movie. Speaking of the songs, I'm not too sure about the music yet because not much can be heard in the trailer. And Jacqueline Fernandez is probably the love interest, so there's nothing much I can say about that until we watch the movie. So I'm really looking forward to this. I was actually pretty much interested when I saw the teaser because the VFX looked impressive, but there was nothing much to speak about. But this looks fantastic. I'm glad I watched this trailer. I'm converted, and I'm definitely gonna watch this movie. I hope you like this reaction and review, guys. Like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel for more new upcoming trailer reactions and movie reviews. Thanks for watching. Take care.